Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine, and welcome if you're new here. Today's DIY is going to be this nautical theme life ring, but it's also a wind chime. So if you'd like to see how I made this, please keep watching. And this is basically a Dollar Tree DIY. All you're going to need is one of these floral rings from the Dollar Tree, chalk paint, which I already had on hand, and blue acrylic paint. You're also going to need some of the thicker rope from the Dollar Tree, and then you can either use twine or this thin rope. I already had that on hand as well. And also the wind chimes that you can get from the Dollar Tree. Mine were already taken apart because I had used them in a previous DIY, but I would suggest if you don't have them taken apart to get a new one so that the strings are already attached, because I had to re-string mine. And all you're going to do is just paint the ring white. I did 2 coats of the chalk paint. And then you're going to do 2 strips of the blue on either side. You can make them as thick or as thin as you want. And then you're going to take some of that thicker rope and flip over the ring, because that's where you're going to be hot gluing the rope. And I don't know if you've ever seen the life rings. They have, some of the rope sticking out from behind, usually on all 4 sides. I know that sounds weird because it's a circle, but... And you can just attach them where you want. I wanted mine a little bit bigger. We're going to hang it from one side and hang the chimes from the other. And I wanted to thank one of my subscribers who suggested that I do a wind chime, and she said she wanted it to be kind of like a nautical theme. So thank you so much for suggesting this, and I hope you like it. Now you're going to take some of the smaller rope or twine, whatever you're using, and then you're going to wrap it around on all of the edges where the blue and the white meet. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but my dog is growling because I think the mailman is coming. Anyway, you're going to finish wrapping the thinner rope around. And I did a couple layers because I didn't want to see the paint through the rope. Then you're going to take the wind chimes, and like I said, I had to restring mine, but it would be a lot easier if you got them new from the Dollar Tree or, craft store or something. And you are going to take the strings and you want to kind of lay them out just to see how you want them to hang. And then tie them onto the bottom rope. Then if you want to go a step further, you can take some shells. I wasn't sure really where I wanted to place them, but I think I'm going to cover up where I tied the string to the rope. So I'm just going to hot glue some shells on there. And you can get these from the Dollar Tree or Michael's. I'm sure Hobby Lobby or maybe even Joann Fabrics has little bags of shells. And this isn't made for outside because I don't think the paint would hold up. And I know the hot glue wouldn't. It would just fall apart if it were raining. So this is more of an indoor one, and I wanted to show you in a window so you could hear the wind chimes better, but with the light showing through, it wasn't giving me a good shot. So this is what it looks like, and I think it looks super pretty. Well, I hope you guys like this DIY, and thank you so much for suggesting it. I will see you next week. I have a couple other suggestions from subscribers on things to make, so hopefully I can get to those soon. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!